How to lock Instagram app. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable app lock on any app, not just Instagram, on your Samsung device. It may be different on Android device, but this is specifically for a Samsung device. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to your settings, and from here just scroll down until you see privacy, security and privacy. Now just scroll down until you see more security settings, and here you will see a secure folder option. So what this is it's an encrypted folder where you can add different apps, and you will have to enter your biometrics or your security pin code or password. So if you don't have this, you can set it up by just tapping here and set it up using your Samsung account. So I already have it set up, so I'm just going to open my secure folder now. It will ask you for your fingerprint or anything that your biometric is set to. And now this is the secure folder. As you can see, these are all of the default apps that are already in the secure folder. Now all you have to do is tap on this plus icon to add any apps. You can even download from Play Store or Galaxy Store as well. Now all you have to do is find Instagram from your app list. So Instagram is right here. I tap on add. Now we will add Instagram right here. So you can log into your account on this Instagram, and to access your secure folder you will have to enter your password or PIN code. And yeah, that's how you can enable app lock on any app on Samsung. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.